Good morning, students. How are you? Thank you. This is my part 42. Function. Today we have to discuss about the function. What do you mean by function? Earlier means in class 11th, already it is given. Means about the function is given class 11th and class 12th also. In class 12th, very important. So today you have to see about the function. What do you mean by function? Clear? Then function. A function is a relation. Means what? This is a special relation. Function is as a special relation. A function is a relation in which no two different order. No two. This is very important here. This is very important. Clear? No two different ordered pair have the same first component. First component. Here also most important here. Means if any sets are given, in all the set, no same elements of the first component. Suppose x, y and x1, y1, x2, y2, then x, x1, x3 are the different. Clear? Once more, a function is a relation in which no two different order pair have the same first component. Thus, the set 0, 1, 1, 1 is a function. Why? We can see here 0 and 1 both are different number. 1, 1 both are same number. 0, 1 is a function, but the set 1, 0, 1, 1 is not a function. Understood? As in this set, the first component is the same in the two ordered pair. You can see here, this set the first component is the same in the two ordered pair. It means here 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Same in the two ordered pair, 1, 1. It means this type set is the not a relation. Clear? Not a function. But here 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, this is a relation, this is a function. Function as a rule here, all elements of the set A are associated to elements of the set B. And elements of the set A is associated to a unique element of the set B like this one. Suppose here two functions are there. First function, second set, and x is the associated to y, means set A is the associated to set B. Understood? Good. Now, what do you mean by range, domain, co-domain? The set A is called the domain of the function. This is a domain, and set B is called the co-domain. Domain and co-domain. Suppose example here A, B, C, D. Co-domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range is equal to what? This is domain. Set is the domain. Set B is the codomain. A, B, C, D. Now we can see here A to 1, B to 3, C to 3, D to 5. This is range. Range means what is range? 1, 3, 5. Because image of A is 1, B, C is 3, D is 5. Then A, B, C, D, domain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, codomain, and 1, 3, 5 is the range. Understood? And note here, actually the range is the subset of codomain. Very simple, you can see here. This is codomain. Means only 3 elements of this set. We can say that range is the subset of codomain. A is the domain, B is the codomain, and 1, 3, 5 is the range. This also we can say 1, 3, 5 is the subset of set B means codomain. Understood? Now see the types of function. This is very most important. How many types of function? Now we can see here one function means injection. One function. If two sets are there, suppose A and B, A is related to B, then this is what? Domain and codomain. Domain and codomain. Then range means A to 1, B to 2, C to 3. Means 1 means 1 of 1. Each and every elements of the image of B means A. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. No any elements is remain. All the elements of A is belong to all the elements, different elements of B. It's very simple. A to 1, B to 2, C to 3, either A to 2, any numbers, okay? This is 1. Many one function. Many one function means two or more elements of the A is associated with any one elements of B. Then A to 5. But here you can see here B to 7, C to 7. No range of 9. Then many one. Many one means two or more than two elements of the set A. A function A is associated with one elements of B. Means A to 5, B or C to 7. Either suppose here 7, 8, 9 here, C here, D here also, and here also. Clear? Okay. Onto function means here both many and 1. A to 1, B to 2 here, C and D to C to 4 and D and E to 3. Means here 1 function and many one function also, both function here. No elements remaining in this set. Onto function, onto means all the elements of set B belong to one or more than one elements of set A. A to 1, B to 2, C to 4, D and E to 3. Now into function. Into function is same condition, but elements of set B can be remain. We can see here A to 1, B to 1, C to 2, B to 2, E to 3 and 4. Very simple. Once more I am going to explain. One function means each and every elements of one is related to each and every elements of B. Many one function means one or more elements of the set A is related to single elements of B. Means A to 5, B or C, both elements can be related to 7, D to 8, and elements can remain here. Onto function means what? Onto function means what? Onto function means here two or more than elements can the image of this one. A to 1, B to 2, C to 4, D and E 3. Here numbers can be remain. Clear? Now see, this is also most important. Composition of a function. Composition of a function. Clear? Definition is here. In general, g of x is the result we obtain when we first apply f to an elements x and then apply j to the result. The function x tends to g of x is then called a composite of a f and g denoted by gauge or fog. Clear? Example, you can understand by the example, because example is very most important. Now here given that fx is 3x minus 2 and gx means x power 4. X belong to real numbers. Find g of x. G of x is equal to what? G and f x. Like this one. What is value of x? Fx means what? 3x minus 2. Fx means this value, fx. Now what is value of gx? Here. In the place of x we can put this value is equal to 3x minus 2 power 5. Now this is answer. Understood? G of x is equal to g function of fx. And g 3x minus 2 means what? 3x minus 2 power 5. You can put this. Second, f is equal to what? Fx. What is value of fx? Fx means what? This value. 3x minus 2. Now again we have to put the value of f 3x minus 2 here. Means 3x minus 2 minus 2. In the place of x we can put 3x minus 2 here. 3x minus 2 minus 2. 9x minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 9x minus 8. Very simple. And f gx plus 3 is equal to what? First of all find the gx. Gx is equal to what? X power 5. X power 5 plus 3. Now we have to find the f. X power 5 plus 3 means in the place of x in this function we have to put x power 5 plus 3. It means what? Here 3 x power 5 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 x power 5 9 minus 2. 3 x power 5 plus 7. Understood? Then, if any function, this is not compulsory, this much value given, with the help of we can find gov, fog, cog, fob, so many value we can find. For this one, first of all find the, like this one here, J fx. Here f gx. J gx. F here fx. Clear? How many questions given? How many value is given? We can solve because it is very important here about the function. And if any means suppose here fx is equal to this value, gx is equal to this value, so whatever portion is there, gf, f gx plus 3, so many different value we can solve. Clear? Now see this question, if fx is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, then f is function of cos 2 theta. Clear? First of all, we have to find f cos 2 theta is equal to what? Fx is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x means 1 minus cos of 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. Clear? Then 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole upon 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1. And 2 sin square theta upon, here cancel, 2 into sin square, sorry, cos square theta here, 1 cancel, 2 cancel, and sin square theta upon cos square theta is equal to what? Tan square theta. Clear? This is value of this value. Now we have to find tan square theta 1 minus tan square theta upon. Clear? Now this is value of what? This is the value of cos 2 theta. Now this is answer. Why? Because you know 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta and 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos theta minus 1 and cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So for doing this type question, please you have to learn formula. This is important. Otherwise, not able to things, if not able to understand which formula you can apply it, then this is a questions based on this formula sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Then also composite function, composition of function. Understood? We will complete. If any doubts, with the help of example you can do, and in live classes you can ask a problem. Thank you very much.